Thought I would say hey for a moment. We got pizza sauce in there, finally being canned. Sugar and water on for tea. Sweet taters in. Candied sweet taters with butter and brown sugar. And here, oh my gosh, I really wish you had smell-o-vision. This chicken is looking so yummy and smelling so good. I need to flip it over too and do the other side. You know what? I can actually go ahead and do that. Yep, got crap sitting there. Nathan's water bottles. Yep, good chicken. It looks so good. It smells so good. Got junk here. We lost power in one room. Huh? I said we lost power in one room. Oh! Scrape the goodie off of that. What, seriously? These are huge. And quit it! They're huge and fat.
Yeah.
Dang. Getting all the good stuff off. Come on. Thank you. Turn.
Well, maybe you should have just told them what to do first. Last time you did well.
Well, yeah, they did, so maybe I should have. Could be. Okay. And we're going to add a little more. Oh, chicken seasoning salt. Shazam! It used to say chicken seasoning flavoring. Now it says chicken seasoning salt. Must be just like a lot of seasoning salt with a little other added in. The kind, the poultry seasoning that is kind of golden brown instead of orange. Doesn't give me the same thrill. Anyway, oh well, at least they're super thick, so. And a dab of Italian seasoning. Okay, I probably should just pop open the pouring thing. If I can lift it where it says lift. Let it come simmer a little while longer. I don't know if they're, I think they're pretty much just steaming in there. But, another sprinkle of pepper. And now that I know that that is salt, I'm not adding more salt. Anyway, ciao for now. Praise God from whom all blessings flow.